Good morning, class. We are starting with the chapter first again, resources and development. So now we are going to start with land resources. Our topic is land resources. Land, we use it as a resource. Okay, land, it also satisfy our needs na. So everything that satisfy our needs is known as resource. So land, it is also a resource. Now use of land. You have seen human beings perform their most of the economic and non-economic activities on land. Okay, we have seen that as a human being we are performing most of the activities, okay, economically or non-economically on the land. How? Means our transportation, it is also running on the land. Industries or our buildings or for communication, okay, we are using land. Okay, land is used. So all these are performed on land. Land provides a base to all these activities. So land, it is used as a base for all these activities that we are performing in our daily routines. So land as a resource is very important. So land is a very important resource for us. We have many multiple needs or requirements. We need land to live, for making houses, we perform economic activities, we make industries. Okay, so we are having multiple needs. Okay, many types of needs or requirements are there that are to be fulfilled by this resource. Okay, we need land to live, for making houses also. Okay, we perform economic activities like we set up industries. Okay, we make industries, we set up industries. So from that industries we are gaining profit. So we are performing economic activities also on the land. So industries will be established on land. Okay, we need food, we want cultivation of crops. Okay, for that crops also we need land. Okay, so all our requirements directly or indirectly are getting fulfilled on land. So all these needs are getting fulfilled by a resource known as land. Okay, then limitation is also there. What is the limitation? Land as a resource, it is a limited resource. Land resource is a resource of finite magnitude. Okay, we are having, means we are not having this, that if you want that the land it should get double. Okay, it is not a magic that you will spell a word and the land it will get double. No, it is finite, it is not infinite. Okay, so it can be measured. It is a finite it is a resource that is of finite magnitude. Finite magnitude means land is not that you want and it get doubles. Okay, means if we want that and it will get doubled. No, it is a limited resource. We cannot expand this resource, means we cannot increase the land. Okay, we cannot expand the land. How much land nature has availed you, means we have got from nature, only that much will be with you, but your needs will increase continuously. But day by day our needs are increasing, population will increase and you will need more land. So we have multiple need but a limited resource. See, as our family it increases, okay, the needs also increases with the increase in the population, with the increase in the family. So our needs also increases. But what happens, we are having multiple needs, okay, but the resource we are having, they are limited. So distribution of Indian landmass. Now how the Indian landmass or Indian land is distributed? We have a diverse variety of landmass, means different types of land types we are having. Okay, our landmass is distributed in different sections. Different sections are there. Okay, it broadly if we see, then Indian landmass can be divided into these three categories. Okay, plain areas, that is 43%. 43% land is distributed to the plain areas. Okay, then mountains, 30% of land is used by the mountains, as you can see here. Okay, they are peak pointed areas, okay, where mountains are there. So 30% of land is it is covered by peak pointed areas, they are mountains. Then plateau, 27%. Okay, 27% of land is distributed to the plateau areas. Plateau, you can see here, like from here the base we are having the surface, okay, and from here it is getting elevated, okay. So this elevated part, tabletop land or elevated, so this is like tabletop, okay. You can see at your home also, if you are having table, now this is the surface, okay. So this is a surface, so like this table is there. Oh, so the tabletop land or the elevated top or elevated part is known as plateau. So 27% is distributed in the plateau areas. Now land utilization, how land is utilized for different purposes. First is forest, land is used for forests also. Then next, second number is land not available for cultivation, the land that is not available for cultivation. Which is the lands are there? Two types of there, barren and wasteland. One is barren, means where we can't grow anything, any types of crops we can't grow, means because there was scarcity of rain, okay, rain was less, so because of that the land it became barren, okay. So there is it is not possible to grow crops there. Then land put to non-agriculture uses, land it is said to be that this is for non-agricultural uses. Example, the land that is used for buildings, for making roads, for making factories, etc. Then third point is other uncultivated land, okay. Some other parts of land that are uncultivated, that are not used for cultivation, that is pasture and grazing land. See, we are taking our cattle, okay, we are taking our cattle for grazing, so that land we can't grow crops over there, okay. So it is pastures and grazing land. Then land under miscellaneous tree crops, means you have seen that while we are traveling, okay, then you have seen on the sides of the road that just unwanted trees they grow up, okay, they just grow themselves, so that are miscellaneous tree crops. So that type of land is also not used in for cultivation. Then fourth is culturable. Culturable means like you can we can say that for more than 5 years, okay, the land that can be used for 5 years. So after 5 years we can't use the land, okay, so its fertility is totally lost. Then fallow land, fallow means current fallow that is used for 1 year or less than 1 year, that is current fallow land. Then other than current fallow, that is used for 1 to 5 years, okay, the land that is used for 1 to 5 years. Then net sown area, the part of land that is used for cultivation. The part here you can say, like we have seen here you can say that we are having this part of land, okay, this part of land, suppose we are having 2 hectares of land, okay. So in this 2 hectares of land we are just growing one crop, okay, for the whole seasons, okay, we are just growing one crop. So this is net sown area, okay, total area cultivated once a year for one crop. The whole area it is cultivated only once a year for just one crop, okay. So next we can say gross cropped area. This was net sown area. Then gross cropped area, gross cropped area we are cultivating 3 crops in a year, means this is the only part we are having. So in this partitions are done, okay, like this you can see, here one type of crop is grown, here second, and here third. So we are growing in 1 year, we are growing 3 types of crops, okay. So total area we are having is 2 hectares, 3 types of crops are grown. So cropped area, gross cropped area we are getting 2 into 3 crops we are growing, okay. 2 we are having land 2 hectares, 3 crops we are growing, we are getting 6 gross cropped area. So here the profit is more than the net sown area, okay. Then this land use pattern in India, okay. So you can see in your books also pie chart is given, okay. So that in that chart it is shown that how much percentage of land is used, okay. From 19, see in your books the years that are shown, it can be something else, but I am having of 60 to 61, okay. Forests are used for 18 to 18.11% land is used for forest in 1960 to 1961. Then barren land was 12.01%. Okay, area under non-utilization, the land that is not used, okay, 4.95%. Okay, so like this the total area we are having is 3.28 million square kilometer, the land we are having. Okay, and this is distributed, you can see in your pie charts. Then it is in 2014 to 15, the forest, okay, there in 1960 to 61 it was 18.11%. In 2014 to 15 we are having of 22.78%, means the greenery it has increased. Okay, then barren land, some of the part of the barren land now we are taking it for use. Firstly we are having 12.01, here it is 8.61%. so like this some increases are there, so it is good also. So for today till here, okay, so just revise this. Now we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.